and welcome to Solutions Introduction. We're mostly going to focus on, in this video, a quick terminology review. This is actually a pretty short video of stuff that we have covered before. There are several types of matter that we talked about that generally are broken into substances and mixtures. What's really important that I just want to impress upon you in this video is where solutions themselves fit into this overall scheme of matter. Substances are just elements and compounds when they're in their pure state. Mixtures can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixtures include solutions. And there's that AQ symbol that lets you know that you're talking about a homogeneous mixture where water is your solvent. So we're going to be focused in this unit on solutions with water as the solvent or the dissolving medium. In any mixture, proportions can be varied. So in a compound, such as water, H2O, you have to have 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. In a mixture such as Kool-Aid, you could have a lot of Kool-Aid mix or a lot of sugar, or you could have, less so. So you can actually vary those proportions. And everything in there is retaining its original properties. So salt water still tastes like salt. Whereas when you form a compound, you actually change the properties of the elements that are in that compound when they're bonded together. The components can be separated by physical means. What this means is you can typically separate based on things like filtration, boiling point, things like that. So this contrast compounds, which is really important to keep in mind. Proportions in a compound are fixed, so we talked about that fixed ratio idea. A compound has totally different properties than its elements did and can only be separated by chemical means rather than physical means. So you actually have to do a full reaction. So this was just a quick introduction to those particular terms. We'll get into reviewing more of that terminology next.